In this video, let me quickly show you how to change the audio quality inside of Deezer. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on Howgenic. If you don't like the current quality that you have inside of your Deezer's account and you want to upgrade it, let me show you the steps that you need to follow. If you have a premium account of Deezer's, you can easily change and upgrade the quality of the songs. Open up any particular song that you're playing inside of Deezer's and then tap on this icon on the bottom left of the screen. Once you do that, you'll see the section called Audio Settings and head over to the Streaming Quality option. Inside of Streaming Quality, if you're using mobile data, tap on the mobile data option, or if you're using Wi-Fi, tap on the Wi-Fi option. There are three options to choose from: the standard, high quality and high fidelity. So tap on the option that you like and you'll be able to see the difference right away. Once you change that settings, you can now play this particular song and you can clearly hear the change in the quality of the audio. Similarly, you can also change the quality of your downloaded audio if you want to listen to music offline. So that's all there is in changing the audio quality in Deezer's. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.